Introducing the Catron 10R or 17R machine control unit, compatible with Catron's new generation of industrial wireless remote control systems, such as the Remtron 325, Remtron 411, and Remtron 611. This highly functional machine control unit contains two main contactor safety relays, a start alarm relay, and offers 10 or 17 relays for motions and auxiliaries. Featuring diagnostic data collection, a wide range of power options, and expansion ports for peripheral devices, this durable, high-value receiver is designed, produced, and serviced in the USA. Its durable IP67 rated enclosure is easy to mount and can be locked for added security. It supports global licensed and unlicensed frequencies in the 915 MHz, 868 MHz, 433 MHz, and 2.4 GHz unlicensed and 450 through 470 MHz licensed spectrums. It also features antenna diversity for highly reliable and dependable communication. Catron products are famous for reliability and durability. For more information or to arrange a demo, visit catron.com.